ناظرین یہ میکڈونلڈ مل گیا ہے, یہ جولے بھی ہے. It's already 8:05. Let's go. Oh, this is a city center. Remember in the morning we walked to the city tourism from here. तो आप देख सकते हैं हम सिटी सेंटर के बीच में आ गए हैं. I like this area more. But you know, they make me scared that there's a robbery happen.
Yeah, I told you. That's why so many times people
Told me?
Yeah.
Oh. You know, I'm just like this. I think if robbery gonna happen, I'm gonna fight them back. It's my thing. No one can take.
No.
I'm just like that. That's why I don't care much. I say when you wanna snatch something, come. I'm ready.
Remember to minimize your voice.
Yeah, Hana. Shh. Let's go. We should ask if it's halal or not. I remember to ask if it's halal or not. Go to the counter. If not halal, then ask for a fish is fine.
Look, I think they don't have fish.
They have fish and fries.
Hi, sir.
Ask them. No, okay, which fish or chicken is halal or not? Ask them. So what you wanna eat?
Ma'am, yung available na lang namin is chicken McDo and chicken sandwich.
Big Mac have?
Go ahead.
Mac sandwich and what?
And chicken sandwich. Chicken McDo.
Which one it is? I'm sorry.
With rice, sir.
Oh, what do you wanna eat, Hannah?
With the one? With the one. Burger or with rice, sir? Crispy chicken filet meal or... Yes. Two now, sir.
Okay, I tell. This one have?
This one, sir, only, sir.
Only this one and
That one.
that one. Not this one also. This one also no.
No.
Oh, very.
This one.
Have?
Have.
Okay, give me this one too. And okay,
Burger.
two this one.
Dine-in only, sir.
Dine in.
How about the drink, sir?
Drink I want 2 vanilla coffee.
There's no ice coffee, sir.
Ice
Coke
no.
float only.
Okay, two Coke float.
Coke float.
And then just 1 minute. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I wanna do it order again. First, I wanna say 2 this sandwich combo and Mac float, and then Mac float or sandwich. Okay. I'm sorry. 2 chicken sandwich and 2 apple pie, and 2 this one with Mac float. I think that's much better.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Because like this we can save some money.
Apple pie, please.
Like 79 for chicken sandwich and apple pie, and that one is 138. We want the spicy one.
We don't have a spicy, sir.
Okay, then give us the original, whatever you have give us. Yeah, thank you. Anne, move. नाज़रीन आ चुका है मैकडोनल्ड. ये 500 पैसों का है, लगभग 2500 पाकिस्तानी रुपए का है. चिप्स है, खा के बताता हूँ. चिकन है, चावल है, बर्गर है, मैक फ्लोट है. चलो खा के, आर यू एक्साइटेड? खा के बताता हूँ. तो नाज़रीन मैंने सोचा टेक आउट कर लूँ क्योंकि मैकडोनल्ड बंद कर रहे हैं, दे आर क्लोजिंग राइट. सो दैट्स व्हाई व्हाट वी डिड, टेक अवे, टेक आउट. इस वजह से हमने टेक आउट कर लिया क्योंकि वो मैकडोनल्ड बंद कर रहे हैं. तो मैं सोचा टेक आउट कर लूँ. जस्ट 1 minute, आई हेल्प यू. लेट्स गो. ओके Hannah, we have to walk from here. Keep walking और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.